Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we're here to learn a new letter sound. The letter sound we're here to learn is the sound of X. X says X, X. It's almost two sounds in one. When you make the sound of X or X, you start by putting your tongue at the top of your mouth, X, and you make a K sound. Then you make a S sound. So you change the sound, two sounds in one. X. My mouth stays open the whole time I make the sound of X, and a lot of air is coming out. Watch. X, X, just like that. X is a fun letter to make in the air. Let's go ahead and make it as big as we can in the air. This is how you start. Start in the middle line, down at a slant, lift. Start in the middle line, down at a slant. The sound of X is just like that. Let's do it again. Let's make this letter X as big as we can in the air. Ready? Start in the middle line, down at a slant, lift. Start in the middle line, down at a slant. The sound of X is Great. Let's go ahead and make that letter shape on our arm. Ready? Start in the middle line, down at a slant, lift. Back to the middle line, down at a slant. The sound of X is. Let's do that one more time on our arm. Start in the middle line, down at a slant, lift. Start in the middle line, down at a slant. Sound of X is. Excellent. Thanks for practicing the letter X with me today. Let's do a little bit more practice before we go. Ready? Excellent. I hope to see you again soon.